Hello everyone, my name is Praween and I welcome you all in our channel Animative Study. As per the demand from our few subscribers as well as our students, today we will deal History NCERT Lesson 2, Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. This chapter basically we will deal in 6 parts. The first part we will deal about introduction. The second part we will deal from the period 1894 to 1914. The third part we will discuss about 1917, that is the year of Russian Revolution. The fourth part will discuss from 1918 to 21, that is the year of Civil War. The fifth part we will discuss about 1922 onwards, that is the formation of U.S.S.R and Stalin era. Then at last part we will do the revision. So friends, this is our first video, and in this introduction part we will discuss about two things. That is, the first one is background and second one is very important timeline chart. So to know background, we have to move to 1750, that is the year of Industrial Revolution that started from England, and very soon it reached to Russia also during the 19th to 20th century. When industrialization started in Russia, so society of Russia was divided into two parts. The first part was very rich owners and the second part was of workers. Workers were known as proletariat. The rich owner were always exploited workers and the workers' condition was very bad. The condition of poor people, the workers, were very bad. They were working for very long hour of time. Their wages were very low. Their living condition was very poor. They were living in slum type of area. Their health condition was very poor. They were struggling for even basic facilities. And in the other side, the rich owner, their condition was getting better and better. That's why there was huge gap between rich owner and poor workers. So in this picture, one great person whose name was Karl Marx came into picture. Karl Marx is a very big name in history and he has given a philosophy of socialism under which he talks about the poor people, and he says that until and unless poor people will not have political power, their condition will not improve. So he is basically talking about the political power should be in the hand of proletariat, that is workers. On the other hand, we have one more personality who was very famous in history of Russian Revolution, whose name was Vladimir Lenin. So Vladimir Lenin was agree with the concept of Karl Marx, but with little modification. He said that the political power should be in the hand of proletariat, that is workers. But since these workers are huge in number, that's why they cannot manage it properly. That's why there will be a dictator who will enjoy this political power on behalf of the workers. So their philosophy is known as Marxist-Leninist philosophy. Few political parties are there in India, such as CPIML, which stands for Communist Party of India, Marxist-Leninist, which works on the philosophy of Karl Marx as well as Vladimir Lenin. So this is a simple background in which few philosophers talks about the empowerment of proletariat, that is workers. So this is about background, that how some philosophers are talking about the proletariat like Karl Marx and all, and how the leader like Vladimir Lenin will implement their theories in a practical life. And we will discuss about the challenges that will be faced by Vladimir Lenin, and we will discuss that whether he will be successful or not, and everything we'll discuss about this chapter in detail in this lecture. So first of all, we'll deal with the timeline chart, and this timeline chart is very important. So we'll start from 1894. In 1894, the king, the Tsar Nicholas II, will come into power. Then we'll talk about 1898, in which the political power, which name was Russian Socialist Democratic Workers' Party, will be established, but there will be internal conflicts within the member regarding the ideologies. That's why it will be bifurcated into two parts, namely Bolshevik and Menshevik in 1903. Then we will discuss about the Indo-Japanese War of 1904. Then we will discuss about the 1905 Bloody Sunday. Then directly we will discuss about 1914, that is World War I. Then we will discuss the most important year of Russian Revolution, that is 1917. Actually, Russian Revolution happened in two phases, the Feb as well as October. So the first one is known as Feb Revolution and second one is known as October Revolution. After that we will discuss about the Civil War that lasted from 1918 to 21. After that we will discuss about 1922, the year of formation of U.S.S.R, that is Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. Then we will discuss about 1924, the death of Lenin and the rise of Stalin. Then we will discuss about the Stalin, that how he will bring the economic reform and some great changes, such as in 1929 he has brought the concept of collectivization, and in 1928 to 32 he has brought the 5-year plan for the first time in the entire history. So these many things we have to discuss in this chapter, and it will be a great learning, great experience. So that's it in this part, that introduction part, where we have discussed about the background as well as very important timeline chart. The next video we will discuss about 1894 to 1914, that is from Tsar Nicholas II to the World War I, which is very important. So don't miss that video.
Friends, this topic is in multiple parts, so if you want to watch the next part, then please click on the link that is given on the screen. And if you like our video, then please hit the like button, then subscribe to our channel also. And if you want to ask any question or want to discussion, then you can comment it below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.